Hello, welcome back to SoulO. Thank you for coming back. Wonderful, great news. Today we're going to have a contest between W.B.Yeats and Professor Brian Cox. And Brian Cox has sort of jumped into the ring really in this contest because in the last few days he explained why he doesn't believe in the concept of soul. Because he can't find it, and he was explaining this to Joe Rogan. He was saying that the human soul can be ruled out on the most fundamental level imaginable. Now, W.B. Yeats, who passed in 1939, so he can't represent himself today, but I may be his advocate, once said the soul of man is of the imperishable substance of the stars, and as Professor Brian Cox is an astrophysicist, I see it as a clash. So Brian Cox went on to say, if you want to suggest there's something else that interacts with matter strongly, then I would say that it's ruled out. I would go so far as to say it is ruled out by experiments, or at least it is extremely subtle, or you would have to jump through a lot of hoops to come up with a theory of some stuff that we wouldn't have seen when we've observed how matter interacts. So that is his view, and he carries some weight and a lot of smiles because he is being promoted as an expert. So I thought probably the best thing was for William Butler Yeats to reply to that with one of his most famous poems. And I will ask you to see if you can find soul in here, not just the word, but something else. My feeling is that soul cannot be found through a microscope or through physics experiments or formulae. It's something that we observe and feel and touches us. We have to almost stand back, not look through a microscope or a telescope. So in reply, William Butler Yeats is saying this: when you are old and grey and full of sleep and nodding by the fire, take down this book and slowly read and dream of the soft look your eyes had once and of their shadows deep. How many loved your moments of glad grace, and loved your beauty with love, false or true. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you, and loved the sorrows of your changing face. And bending down beside the glowing bars, murmur a little sadly how love fled, and paced upon the mountains overhead, and hid his face amid a crowd of stars. So please, in your comment section, say who you feel has, well, it may be harsh to say who has won this debate, if indeed it is a debate, and any thoughts that you have. And please subscribe and click on the bell and join me for further SoulOs. Thank you very much. Bye.